New information as Western Mass News continues to investigate developments at the Holyoke Soldiers Home, where 92 veterans have now died since March, 76 confirmed with COVID-19. The attorney representing the Soldiers Home superintendent is speaking out today, saying that he wants to clear Bennett Walsh's name. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo is getting answers. She joins us live in Springfield with her exclusive television interview. Audrey?
Attorney William Bennett says that the state is perpetuating falsehoods by not admitting that Bennett Walsh had reached out to them during the outbreak. In fact, Attorney Bennett says Walsh documented coronavirus cases, reached out to different state departments, and had asked for help and National Guard assistance all by March 27th. Now, he says that that's just days before Bennett Walsh was placed on administrative leave.
Address the falsehoods.
Attorney William Bennett saying it's his goal to clear the name of his nephew, Holyoke Soldiers Home Superintendent Bennett Walsh. Attorney Bennett says Walsh is still on paid administrative leave, placed there at the end of March when news came to light of a growing deadly COVID-19 outbreak in the facility.
He wants these falsehoods to be cleared up, that his good name be restored, and that all the facts for whatever happened become known for the families. They deserve to know everything that did go on.
Attorney Bennett provided more than 50 pages worth of documents, including emails, texts, and forms sent to and from Walsh in the week leading up to being placed on leave. These documents, Attorney Bennett says, refute claims from the governor's office and state officials that Walsh had kept them in the dark about the virus. In one document dated March 22nd, Walsh had filled out a report outlining a positive COVID-19 case found a day earlier. That report was sent to state health and veteran services officials. A March 25th email shows state public health officials expressing confidence that Walsh and the home were following proper DPH guidelines.
Are you able to say if any decisions made by Bennett contributed to the spread of the virus at all?
We don't believe so.
You don't believe so?
No, I do not.
Oh.
But again, there's an investigation going on. Nobody's perfect. Everybody was trying their best, and we'll have to wait and see what the investigations determine.
We asked Attorney Bennett about the governor's claims that he'd only found out about the outbreak after veterans had already died.
It may very well be that no one did tell the governor what was going on. That's quite possible.
But he says the documents show there's no question. The Department of Public Health, the Executive Office of Health and Human Services, and the Department of Veteran Services all knew how dire the situation had become. In fact, Attorney Bennett claims Walsh was put on paid administrative leave after speaking with Holyoke Mayor Alex Morse about the outbreak.
They were livid that he had talked to the mayor. They asserted that he kept them in the dark and that he was trying to cover things up, and those things are not true.
As for whether or not Walsh will be able to return to his job as superintendent, or if he even wants to, Attorney Bennett says they're just focusing on the immediate.
Certainly can return to his good name. We're going to wait and see what the investigations reveal.
Holyoke Mayor Alex Morse confirmed to us and has said from the beginning that he did in fact speak with Bennett Walsh before Walsh was placed on administrative leave. And one thing to note, the documents provided to us today by Attorney Bennett were all part of a public records request that we submitted to the state. The state had denied our request. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.